Hi friends, welcome to my channel Civil 3D Pro Designer. In this exercise number 5 for chapter number 16, we will learn that how to edit labels in plan view. After creating pipe network labels in the previous exercise, we must need to do a fair amount of editing to improve their appearance and readability. This can involve assigning different styles and moving the labels using their grips. So you must need to know some things related to labels. As you can see, we have opened this drawing. You can get this drawing from description link. Editing labels in plan view, which we was create labels in the previous exercise for stormwater network plan. So you have some labels here and you can see they are not clear. So select this manhole labels and you will see a square grip here. Just drag this to clear area. This is the first editing techniques which you can use in Civil 3D for moving any objects using your grips. So another tricks which I am going to tell you, you can see here we have pipes and this label is showing for pipe details. So you can select this pipe labels and go to properties. You can see it's not better, so I want to select different style for this label. Go to the pipe label styles and here you can select see storm pipe data stacked. So you will see how it will arrange this label. You can see it's now use these grips and you can drag this to clear space. For this I will also do same. Now here we have another label which I want to do also same like before, see storm pipe data and drag it to another location for clearance. So it was the second technique to edit your label. Now close your property dialog box and click this. I think it's not fine here, so you can select this and go to flip labels. So it will flip to another side of the pipe. Also select this one and go to properties and here you can change the style for this also. Press escape to clear the selection. Now we have also many labels which you want to drag to the another location for clearance. So I am leaving these other labels to you. You can drag them and play them with flip labels and another splice label for these pipe networks. Hope you like this video. If you are waiting that how can we label pipe network in profile view, then must watch next video.